Atasan Makine Kalıp was founded in Istanbul in 1998 and has been operating in Sakarya since 2000. Our factory has enclosed area of 8,000 square meters. At Atasan, we utilize advanced production methods focused on customer satisfaction. At Atasan Makine, we manufacture and sell a variety of products in the automotive, home appliance, and trailer sectors. We sell indirectly and directly to international customers. Poland, South Africa, Serbia, and South Korea are our regular export destinations. Our facility includes laser cutting and making hole for pipes and profiles, cutting with saw blade, length finishing and chamfering, forming, presses, CNC lathes, plastic injection, and mold room. All of our processes are designed in accordance with the quality certifications required by the industry and are carried out in accordance with relevant standards. OHS is paramount for Atasan, and everyone, from guests to employees, is expected to fully comply with all rules. During the daily production and Asakai meetings, the important issues of the day are discussed and actions are planned, while in the weekly meetings, topics of strategic importance for the company are discussed. As a company, we prioritize customer satisfaction in order to meet and exceed customer expectations. For this purpose, all our processes have been aligned with ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality management standards and are periodically monitored through internal and external audits. In addition, we keep high quality levels by implementing strict controls and inspections in raw material supply, production, and final control processes. Within the framework of continuous improvement, we aim to stand out in the sectors we serve with the success and satisfaction we achieve, supported by the challenging targets we set each year. Raw material requirements and capacity planning for all production stations are carried out via Logonetses, and products and raw materials are tracked in the field and office through the NetFect program, identified with QR labels using mobile devices. Production efficiencies, scrap, and downtime can be monitored in real time. To prevent potential mix-ups, Poka-yoke processes such as product raw material matching and part Kanban matching are carried out in our system. The pipe cutting station is equipped with 8 automatic saw cutting machines capable of cutting pipes and profiles ranging from 11.9 mm to 80 mm in diameter and from 5 mm to 3,000 mm in length. Also, we have one pipe profile BLM laser machine capable of length cutting and making hole for diameters from 13 mm to 127 mm. Subsequent processes, depending on product requirements, include brushing, length finishing, forming, CNC lathe, and press operations. In these stations, we produce metal components for the automotive industry: seat frame pipes, spacer pipes, shock absorber pipes, adjuster pipes, cross-member pipes, and seat headrest pipes. A vibration process is available for products that require deburring, and for spacer parts, we meet customer requirements using our length control machine as a Poka-yoke method. During all production processes, first approval check and frequency controls are carried out using measurement equipment compliant with the relevant standards. In our plastic injection production department, we have a total of 19 fully automatic plastic injection machines operating with hydraulic and electric systems ranging from a minimum of 50 tons to a maximum of 480 tons. In the automotive sector, the production of plastic housings for seat headrest tubes, which are classified as safety parts, and the plastic frames of armrest sections located inside vehicle doors, along with similar functional plastic parts, is carried out with high precision. For the white goods sector, mass production is carried out for flame-resistant filter handles that enable the opening and closing of filter sections in kitchen aspirator, protective covers on the hinges of refrigerators, and deep freezers and other plastic parts with similar functions. To increase production efficiency and quality standards, integrated robot systems are used for part picking and placing. Chillers systems ensure precise control of mold temperature. Automatic color dosing systems provide accuracy in colored productions, and plastic breaking machines are actively used in recycling processes in line with the zero waste target. Especially for the automotive industry, produced safety parts are inspected with polka yoke systems at the end of the process, ensuring the accuracy and functionality of the parts. In this way, plastic part manufacturing is carried out in accordance with the principles of quality, safety, and continuity, with both high production capacity and a customer-oriented flexible production approach. Atasan has a structure that designs, produces, renews, and manages the maintenance and repair processes of molds for both its own products and those of its customers. It prepares molds for production, performs sample trials in the relevant processes, and after approval, brings them to suitable condition for mass production, ensuring their continuous usability. With the wide range of stations and machinery in its mold room, the company has the capability to produce various types of molds, including forming, metal trim, progressive, and injection molds. Equipped with essential manufacturing systems such as wire erosion, sinking erosion, fast hole drilling, vertical machining centers, grinding machines, and CNC milling, the company fully meets both its internal requirements and the needs of its customers by sourcing only externally supplied materials such as steel raw material. Atasan carries out shipments to its customers in various forms, such as warehouse delivery, port delivery, or delivery to address. According to the order manifest and Kanban received from the customer, materials are collected. The Kanban and part matching is performed using mobile terminals, and then parts are packaged according to the required packaging specifications. They are selected from the shipment orders uploaded to the system. Balance quantity checks are performed, and deliveries are completed accurately. As in every stage of production, we approach the shipment process with the same level of care and responsibility. At Atasan Makine, shipment is not only a delivery, it is the moment when quality, trust, and craftsmanship are arrived to the customer.